Take a ride in 2021 Mazda 6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.